Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2023 KRX 4-seater 1000. We just installed some accessories on this one. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about what we've done. We're going to start off with the 34-inch tires. These are from Tusk along with their bead locks. We sell a ton of these tires. They wear really good on the asphalt. We've got the Tusk flip down windshield on it. It does have the ability to vent in the middle as well as flip down with the windshield wiper on the front. We do have the Tusk side view mirrors on it. The Tusk side view mirrors have a great field of view along with the Tusk roof and the Tusk light bar and bracket. Very nice, very nice. We've installed the Ryco Street Legal kit on it. The Ryco kit's going to give you everything you need to be street legal here in the state of Utah with the exception of the 2 mirrors. We love the Ryco kit. This is the newest upgraded kit. The turn signals are integrated right into the headlights, so you will replace that headlight assembly to get that functionality behind it. On the back side, it ties into the stock taillight housings, utilizing all of those bright LEDs in the back. You do have those indicator lights as well to let you know the turn signals are on. We've got the Rugged Radios kit installed as well. We absolutely love Rugged. The stuff looks good, it functions good, works out really well. Horn button integrated right into the end of the lever on that Ryco kit, up or down to cancel that 4-way hazard function. We've got the Kawasaki rear window on it. This is my favorite rear window for the KRX 4-seater. You don't have any frame structure to deal with your sight. It also gives a nice contour around the back side there. It does give you a little bit of extra room between the headrest and the window. A lot of the aftermarket stuff is right up against the window. Works out really well. And the 5150 whips are there as well. We love 5150. What do you think? 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Now, if you peek through there, there's the new owner. What are you doing with the 4-seater?
Hauling wives and dogs.
Hauling wives and dogs.
And grandkids occasionally.
Grandkids occasionally. Now, you've had about every machine on the planet, from Polaris to Yamaha to Kawasaki. Why KRX 4-seater?
Because we've loved our KRX 2-seater, and when I suggested, or rather, when Grandma suggested we need a 4-seater for when the grandkids visit, it was an easy choice to stick with Kawasaki.
There you go. So you guys do all kinds of riding. What type of riding do you expect to do with the KRX 4-seater?
Well, now that I'm getting a few years under my belt, we do mostly trail riding now. We still like the rocks. We still like to rock crawl. The Kawasaki's are amazing rock crawling machines. The best I've ridden. I'm not so much into racing to the top of Sand Mountain anymore, but that's pretty much what we do.
Perfect. This wasn't even scripted. He didn't even know he was going to be on video. I just saw him walk out of the finance office and there he was. So
the papers were good. We're ready to go.
We're ready to go. All right. Well, you got a sweet looking KRX there. 435-427-3338. Give us a call. Shoot us a text. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We'd love to get you into KRX 4-seater. Have a great day, everybody.